was watching one of Stove Bolt's videos the other day and saw he had an old drill press. That's pretty cool, and I really like old tools, so I thought I'd show you all something I got at auction a while back. This is a Winona intheblok crankshaft grinder. Pretty neat thing. Comes with this motor. I got two of them actually. Comes with a motor and this little contraption here hooks onto that electric motor. And this end I guess goes on the flywheel. Take the starter out, put that on the flywheel, that turns the crankshaft. And then you rig this up in the journal, rod journal. And you got a little grinding wheel here, and it grinds it. And they come with all sorts of stuff. Grinding wheels, gears, homemade brackets. Got two of these gears. I ain't sure what that's for. More grinding wheels, plenty of emery cloth. Has some pretty cool old hand tools in there too. Maybe one day I'll try it out, just see how it works. I haven't run into anybody who's used one of these recently. That's it for now. See ya.